Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing great. So today I'm going to be doing an organizational slash haul slash I'm in quarantine and I got nothing else to do with myself. So let's jump right in. So welcome back to all my subscribers. Welcome to any new people that are watching my videos. My name is Benji and I make all types of videos. I do beauty, I do fashion, I do cooking, I do vlogs, whatever I feel like doing, I do. This channel just kind of has all my passions rolled into one. So for those of you guys who've watched my couple of latest videos, you know that I recently moved into my new home. It is more of like a, what's the word? So it is more like a downtown home. So it's in a very busy sort of like midtown area. So it is limited on space. So we have a lot of space, but as far as, you know, pantry and drawers and cabinets, it's very limited as far as that. This is very much the house for somebody who doesn't really cook that much, and I'm definitely not that person. So it's definitely been a challenge trying to get everything organized. So I went to IKEA and I bought a few things. It's just a couple of things. I will be having some other videos about like how I organize my full pantry, because I technically don't have a pantry, so I will have a video on that. And I'll also have a video on how I organize my bathroom upstairs, because we don't have a linen closet and we don't have drawers in the bathroom. I know, but yeah, let's stay on task. And I just want to show you guys what I purchased from IKEA and how I'm going to use them. So the first things that I got are these little wire baskets right here. So I got two of these and I think they were like $3.99 each. I just went with two for now just because I didn't know how they were gonna fit in my full pantry. And I'm calling it a full pantry because it's not an actual pantry. I just turned it into one, hoping that it fits long ways and I can put like snacks and chips and granola bars and all kinds of things like that in here. And I got two of them just because I wanted to organize our waters. We don't have a ton of water. We drink essential water, which comes in really big bottles. So I wanted to see if I could potentially organize a few things in here so that my pantry could look a lot more put together. All right, the next thing that I got is this thing right here. Raise your hand if you hoard grocery bags. I hoard grocery bags. I don't know how. I don't know why or how. It's just how I was raised, I think. We've always kept all of our grocery bags. It's become even more like of a thing now that we moved into our home because we don't have a trash can. I do not like trash cans in the house. I've had a couple of trash cans in the house, but I won't have one if I don't need one in the house. So we have a big trash can which picks up every week. So I just rather make like smaller bags, toss it in that, and then put it on the curb than to have a trash can in the house and deal with the smells and all of that. I just don't want to do that. So we put all of our trash in like little garbage. Like we put all of our trash, our daily trash, in like little grocery bags. And then at the end of the night before we go to bed, after we load the dishwasher, we toss the little grocery bag in the big trash can. It brings me down to this. This is a grocery bag organizer. I think I figured out how to put it together. So basically, I think you just snap this like that. If I break it now, I'm gonna be so mad. So I think it actually goes like this, right? And what you do is you just stuff all of your grocery bags in there, and then when it keeps them nice and organized, and then you just pull it out as needed. So, and it has some tape back here. I think you're supposed to tape this against something, but I don't think I need to because this is just gonna live underneath my sink there. The next thing that I got are going to be these shelves, and I had no idea that these had like screws. I think I'm gonna have to go into my husband's toolbox to figure out how to put this guys together. But basically these are shelf organizers. So again, we don't have a ton of cabinet space. These are gonna be little shelves that you put inside of your cabinet, and you can put plates underneath and plates on top. So I was thinking I could have one on one shelf to organize all my large plates, and then I got another one to organize all my little plates. And my I thought I could have my little plates on the bottom and then my bowls at the top. Yeah, I wanna show you how trash how trash my cabinets are. You see that? They're not tall enough. So the thing just takes the whole space. So I'm probably gonna have to return these. So I'm just gonna take it down. I'm gonna find another one that's maybe a little bit shorter. I don't even know if I can find anything that's going to fit here, but we shall see. But these were no-go for me, but if you guys have cabinets that are a little bit taller than mine, then they will work perfectly for you. I have one last thing to show you guys, and this doesn't really have to do with anything with organizing, but I also picked it up from IKEA, so I wanted to include it in this video. It is a planter. I don't know why I'm so excited. So my sister-in-law gave me a plant for my housewarming gift, and I've never actually had a plant before. I've had succulents, which I'm really worried because I couldn't even keep a succulent alive, so I'm very worried as far as how I can actually keep this plant alive. But she pretty much got me this plant, and she says that it's foolproof, like you can't kill it. People also said that about succulents, I'm just saying. But she just told me to just get a good planter for it. Put it somewhere where it's gonna get light, but not like too much light. And then put ice like around the plant once a week. And she was like, your plant will be fine. So far I've had it for about 2 weeks. I've been putting ice once a week on my plant, and so far it's good. I feel like it's a little sick right now. I don't know if plants can get the coronavirus, but if they can, I think my plant might have it, because I feel like it doesn't look as like green and lively as it did when she first brought it, but it's not as dead as some of my other plants have been at this point. So I'm hopeful. I'm taking care of it. And I think I'm gonna actually Google what kind of plant it is so I can take really good care of it, because I want plants all over the house, but I'm not gonna buy plants if I'm just gonna be killing them. I need to figure out how to keep them alive. So if I can keep this one alive, then I'm gonna get a few more, but I digress. So I bought this planter from IKEA, and it was actually, it's a really big planter. I want to say it's like 8 inches around, and I think it was like 14 bucks, which is a really good price because planters are going for $30, $50, $60 these days. So yeah, so I got the planter from IKEA, the planter pot, and then from Amazon I ordered like legs, like really beautiful black legs to go with it. I don't know when this video is gonna go up, but I don't think I'll have the legs by then. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, I will post a picture with the legs on. Alright guys, so those are all the items that I got to organize from IKEA. I feel like I'm slowly but surely getting everything really organized in the house. So I have 2 organizational, I'm struggling with that word, 2 organizational videos coming up. I have my kitchen organization and I have my bathroom organization. Let me know which one you guys want to see first, and I will get that filmed for you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!